Logitech by Glassco Group is a manufacturer, exporter and supplier of Kjeldahl apparatuses. Kjeldahl nitrogen analyzer. Technical specification: 3-in-1 combo, digestion, distillation and scrubber. Automatic 6-place digestion with distillation and scrubber with common touch screen control and display. Tube capacity 250 ml. Casted aluminium alloy heater is 4159. Digestion heater wattage 1500 watt. Digestion temperature range 50 degree to 450 degree. Scrubber tank capacity 10 liter. Unit dimension 32 by 26 by 41 inches. Kjeldahl cod digestion system. Technical specification: stainless steel insert rack to handle cod digestion tubes. MS rack to keep air condensers. Stainless steel water tank. 150 ml tube capacity. 5 programs. Reflux condenser dimension 640 mm. Casted aluminium alloy heater. Heater wattage 2000 watt. Unit dimension 56 by 14 by 36 inches. Kjeldahl automatic macro block digestion system with auto lift. Technical specification: the auto lift enables automatic loading of insert rack with samples tubes before digestion. It also enables automatic lifting of hot digestion tubes along with the rack after completion of digestion. Stainless steel body with GRP control panel. 250 ml tube capacity. Selectable programs, customizable, integrated auto-sequencing features with 30 intelligent memory programs. Kjeldahl scrubber. Technical specification: 4-stage advanced version acid. Non-corrosive centrifugal inbuilt magnetic suction pump for water recirculation in 8 liters tank avoids requirement of running water during digestion. Pump delivery rate, 60 l/minute for perfect evacuation of acid fumes. Alkali container capacity 2 liters. Water container capacity 2 liters. Stainless steel tank of capacity 8 liters. Automatic water level indicator to view water level in SS tank externally. Kjeldahl superior microprocessor-based automatic distillation system with LCD display. Technical specification: superior microprocessor-based automatic PC-compatible auto-sequencing distillation system with complete safety features with LCD display. Distillation tubes of capacity 100 ml, 250 ml, 400 ml, 800 ml. Auto reagent level sensors with alarm indication for reagents. Auto, manual operation of all parameters, mode for anytime alkali addition. Auto tube insert error indication. Automatic door open warning error indication. 1-point calibration of water refilling pump. 2-point calibration of acid, reagent pump timer based.